Hey everyone, check out the CARTMAN heavy-duty steering wheel lock, designed to keep your vehicle safe and secure. This lock features a double-bar 4-hook design that firmly attaches to your steering wheel for maximum protection. Installation and removal take only seconds using the included key, with no hassle involved. Its bright color acts as a powerful theft deterrent, making your car less appealing to thieves day or night. Made from premium steel with a reinforced locking bar and professional-grade lock cylinder, it resists picking and break-ins. The universal fit adjusts easily to steering wheels from 5.3 to 12.6 inches, perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. Plus, it comes with 3 uniquely coded keys for added security and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.